Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Are those annoying vertical or horizontal lines ruining your Vizio TV experience? Don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you a permanent fix that actually works, step by step. By the end of this video, your TV will look as good as new. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify the problem. Start by carefully turning on your TV and observing the screen. Vertical lines usually indicate panel or ribbon cable issues, while horizontal lines may point to internal circuitry problems. Safety first. Always unplug your TV before opening it. Even a small shock can cause serious damage. Understanding the source of the lines is key to fixing them permanently. Take a moment to note when the lines appear, during startup, specific channels, or apps. This helps pinpoint the exact cause. Step 2. Power cycle the TV. Unplug your Vizio TV from the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 15 to 20 seconds to fully discharge residual electricity. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Often, these simple power cycles can reset glitches that cause screen lines. Sometimes the fix is easier than you think. Remember, power cycling not only fixes lines, but also resets minor software issues, improving overall TV performance. Step 3. Check and reconnect ribbon cables. Open the back panel carefully and locate the ribbon cables connecting the main board to the screen. Gently disconnect and reconnect them, making sure they are seated firmly. Dust or a loose connection is one of the most common causes of vertical or horizontal lines. Handle cables gently. These are delicate components that can be damaged easily. Cleaning connectors with a soft brush or compressed air can sometimes make a noticeable difference. Step 4. Inspect the T-con board. The T-con board, timing control board, sends signals from the main board to the screen. If reconnecting cables didn't help, it may be the T-con board causing the issue. If you have a spare T-con board or can consult a professional, replacing it often provides a permanent solution. Some users find that simply reseating the T-con board without replacement can temporarily fix stubborn lines. Step 5. Update firmware. Visit Vizio's support website for your TV model. Download the latest firmware update and install it via USB or over Wi-Fi. Sometimes, lines appear due to software bugs, and an update can completely fix them. Keeping your TV firmware up to date prevents future issues and improves stability across apps and streaming services. Step 6. Final test and adjustment. Turn the TV back on and check the screen carefully. If the lines are gone, congratulations. Your Vizio TV is now fixed. If the lines persist, it may indicate a panel issue requiring professional repair or replacement. Remember, delicate parts need careful handling. Don't force anything if you're unsure. Patience and precision are key. Rushing can cause more damage than the original problem. Lines on your Vizio TV can be frustrating, but with these steps, most issues can be permanently resolved. By carefully following this guide, you save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and regain full picture quality. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and share it with anyone struggling with screen lines. Enjoy your clear, perfect screen.